Today I will show you how to make pencil case. You will need fabric. I'm using cotton. Measurements 14 inches by 20 inches or 35 centimeters by 50 centimeters. You also will need fabric for lining, approximately the same amount. One zipper, 10 inches or 25 centimeters.
Fold piece 3 handle in the middle lengthwise. Press. Fold in raw edges. Press again. Repeat with piece 2, zipper and loop. Top stitch piece 2, zipper and loop, and piece 3 handle along long edges.
With a chalk, mark half of zipper length. Find middle on main fabric piece. Place zipper and main fabric piece correct side together, matching middle notches. Find middle notch on lining piece. Place lining piece on top of zipper, matching middle notches, face together. Align the top edges with zipper tape. Pin and place. Attach zipper foot on your sewing machine. Sew along the zipper edge. Top stitch close to the zipper. Repeat on other side. Find middle of the lining and main fabric, matching middle notches. Pin pieces along zipper tape, starting from middle. Stitch in place. Top stitch. Fold piece 2 loop in half. Position the loop on the side at the zipper end. Stitch in place. Open the zipper halfway before sewing the back together. This will allow you to turn the pencil case right side out later. Sew sides. Trim seams to 3/8 or 1 centimeter. Trim slightly corners. There is 2 options on finishing side seams. Option 1, it's fast. Option with zigzag or serger. Option 2, more professional, explained in this video. Stitch piece 4, cover for seams, along stitching line on seam allowances. Fold it over seam, tuck in raw edges and stitch again. Turn back on correct side. Attach piece 3 handle on opposite side from loop. Align handle along seam. Let's create box corners. From the wrong side, flatten each end seam. Sew the side seam in the middle. Sew straight from corner to corner. Trim seam allowances to 3/8 or 1 centimeter. finish seam allowances with option 1, zigzag and serger, or option 2. And here my pencil case. Let's check it in actions. And that's it for today.